Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I am Zinky and this is Life with Zinky.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch I do it.
So today, as you can tell by that title, I will be installing a 613.
How you doing?
So I got my wig from Amazon. You know, cause yeah. So right now I'm finna tone the wig because you don't want it to be like yellow. I went to the beauty supply store to get me some purple shampoo. The beauty supply store right there, so it's a win-win for me. It's a win-win for me. It's hot. So take this, put it in the water. Okay, this one. I didn't really need a lot. Get you a comb. Mix it around. You don't want no clumps in it because I've been watching videos.
How you doing?
And then you get your hair and dip it. You dip it. And then that's hot. Get your brush. Dip. Brush. Dip. Brush. So, I got me a towel. I got too much stuff on the counter. And I got dirty dishes. But it's okay though. They're gonna get washed. Okay. So then we're gonna go braid my hair now. And it's dry. It's real dry. I'll be back. Okay, so I braided down plaited down my hair. And I don't know what time it is. My husband wanted to go to a slideshow. And I thought we was going. But he said I gotta do my hair, so. He didn't want me to go. I'm so slow. Where's the scissors? Make it do what it do. burns. I forgot I cooked my sideburns because they too long. They got too long. Those who get it, those who don't. But, so like I ain't got no blow dryer, so that's what makes it take even longer. So yeah. Oh well. We're gonna make it do what it do. I'm finna find some. Gonna use my diploma. Cause girl, like how you do wigs and how you do wigs. You ain't got no blow dryer. But it's okay though. I could be putting makeup. Let's try. I use for that. Whatever. So how y'all doing? I ain't doing nothing. Finna install this wig because I need it done for tomorrow.
Man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you and you're in the mood for empathy. Is blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Okay, so finna put some rubbing alcohol on my skin. You know, to get rid of the excess stuff, whatever. I want to do 2 layers. I ain't got no popsicle sticks, so I'm gonna use this. Gotta change it out anyway, cause I used it. Okay. Got this handy dandy diploma. it's very much ghetto. It's okay, that's fine. Ghetto. We're gonna add our second layer.
Man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now. Put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, what it does is put it in a song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
That's the second layer. Here we go. Look way better than what it was.
How you doing?
I don't know which one I'm using because I forgot I bought this a long time ago. So yeah, forget. Oh, it's 11/14. Bought this when I bought my second wig because I wanted to learn how to do them up on myself. Most folks wait, tint the lace with hair dye. I ain't got none, so. Okay, so we got it up on the lace.
How you doing?
Okay, there we go. It came with a what you call where you can a band, but I ain't want to put it on. So let's get it straight. Okay. But I ain't gonna lie, I learned from my sister because I always seen her do it, and then like I picked up on it. Yeah, I picked up on it and I wanted to learn how to do it myself. Okay. Yeah. It's time to ban it, boo. But I'm gonna talk to y'all when it's coming off. So I found the scissors, y'all. I'm gonna come back with my phone charge because it's on 2%. So yeah. Hey y'all, back at the gym. Okay, my bad, y'all. It's days later. I forgot to make an outro, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that post notification bell on so you can be notified whenever I post another video. But this is, I'm gonna post pictures of, my hair. So yeah, deuces.
Deuces.